In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix header in Google Docs. Whether you need to remove a header that's cluttering your document or simply tighten up the space it takes at the top, I'll walk you through clear, reliable ways to get it done. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Docs. Click the official Google Docs link to open it. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and log in with your Google account so you can access your files. Once you're in, open the document you want to adjust and give it a moment to load completely. It helps to scroll a bit to make sure the pages have fully rendered before you begin. To remove a header entirely, double-click inside the header area at the very top of any page. You'll see the header section become active and a small header bar will appear. On the right side of that highlighted header bar, click the Options drop-down menu. From the list, choose Remove Header. This clears the header from your document, along with anything that was inside it, such as a title or page numbers placed in the header. Your body text remains intact below, only the header section is removed. If your goal isn't to remove the header but to reduce the wasted space at the top, here's how to shrink it. Double-click the header area again to activate it and click the same Options drop-down. This time, select Header Format. In the dialog that opens, look for the setting labeled Header from Top of Page. By default, it's usually set to 0.5 inches. Change that to a smaller number like 0.1 or even 0 if you want the header line to sit right near the top edge. Click Apply to confirm. You'll see the header area compress, giving your content more room. A small adjustment often makes a big difference, so try a couple of values until the spacing looks right. If you still see a large gap, you can fine-tune the page's top margin. Click File in the top toolbar and choose Page Setup. Under Margins, find the top value and reduce it to 0.5 or smaller. Then click OK. This changes how close your main text starts from the top of the page, working alongside the header setting for a tighter, cleaner layout. Keep in mind that very small margins can impact how some printers handle the page edge. That's it. Open your doc, remove the header if you don't need it, or adjust the header and top margins for a slimmer, more professional look. Your changes save automatically, so you're ready to share or print.